Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Perseveranx brand, their NASA grade open cell polyurethane foam insoles. They have high arch support. They'll be used by men or women to help to relieve plantar fasciitis. They absorb shock and relieve flat foot pain, and you can use them for working or standing. The company provides 100% risk-free purchase guarantee. If you're not satisfied, let them know. They give you money back or exchange them. These get excellent customer ratings. So you can see on the box I do have all kinds of information about that on the back, but it's basically a NASA grade insole that never flattens. So a lot of insoles do compress and they hold a memory, they compress down, then you lose your support. These don't do that. These bounce right back just like that, as you see with my finger, and they'll retain that. So they'll give you support. If you look on the bottom right here, they got this hardened blue shell right there, and they also have a real high section right here to hold and support your whole foot. Comes in all the different sizes you're going to need. I'm going to be putting these in my wife's walking shoe, and she's going to be testing them out today in her walk, and I think she's going to love these because she has problems with the absorption of the shock absorption when she walks. She'll get callousing and things like that, and I always tell her she needs to put something into her gym shoe like this other than what the gym shoe comes with. So these are super comfy, and they have real high arch, as I showed that curve right there, and that high arch is excellent to really hold your foot in place. And if you do have, there's another condition called Metatarsalgia, and these are the result of increased pressure on the ball of your foot. So because this has that scalloped opening right there, you're not going to have that problem anymore. And these are great for any age, any activity, any shoe. You're just going to cut them to fit the sneaker or the shoe. And it'll give you extra energy and extra hours of energy during the day for any activity, standing, walking, hiking, or even in work boots. So you're going to get maximum absorption and compression resistance. And these are heavy-duty orthotics insoles. So we're going to try these out and see how my wife likes them. So here's my wife's New Balance gym shoes, and these are the insoles that come with them. Kind of flimsy and soft. So there's a left and a right, and I'm going to replace it with the left and the right of the Perseveranx, and I'm going to cut it and use this as a pattern to cut to fit her shoe. And there they are, all cut and put in her shoes, ready for her to test.
I'm out for my daily walk in the forest preserve, and I put on my gym shoes after inserting the NASA grade insoles. Super comfortable. I've been walking for over an hour.
So what do I think about the Perseveranx brand? Their Embrace series high arch support insoles with that really impressive NASA foam that doesn't allow compression over time. Well, my wife tried them and she walked with them, and she walked them for several days now on and off, and she's really happy with them. She loves the way they feel and the support she's getting. So I removed all the bad inserts in here and insoles, and now I have the good ones from Perseveranx in there. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.